Welcome to the GB513 example on how to compute the R-square value. We're looking at problem 12.34 on page 495. It reads as follows. The corporation owns several companies. The strategic planner for the corporation believes dollars spent on advertising can to some extent be a predictor of total dollars in sales. As an aid in long-term planning, she gathers the following sales and advertising information from several of the companies for 2011. And she wants to compute the R-square value. Okay, so looking at the data, we have the data below. We want to compute the R-square value. The way I'm going to do this is I'm going to click on the Data tab and go all the way over to Data Analysis. I'll go down to Regression and I'll click OK. Now the Y variable is the one that we want to predict. That's the sales data. Okay, so I've highlighted the sales label plus all the data. The X variable is the advertising dollars that are spent. The label plus the advertising dollars. I make sure that the box next to labels is checked because I did highlight the labels. The next thing I'm going to do is compute a new worksheet called R-square. And I can select or not select any of these other values. These are extraneous information for an R-square value. But if you were doing a regression analysis, you might want to go ahead and click that. All right, so we have some data and we have some graphs. I'm going to change the font so that we can see it. And I'll change the column width. Okay? All right. So then I have an R-square value right here. Here's my R-square value. All right, 0.898064,324. Okay, I'm going to copy that and paste it onto my answer sheet, and I'll see that my R-square value, which is again 0.898064,324, tells me, what does it tell me? It tells me that approximately 90% of the time, if I know the advertisement dollars will give me a pretty good indication of what the sales amount will be. And this